Hello everybody, this is a quick tutorial on how to use School Specialty, which is how you can order things from the United States of America, okay, through our consolidator. So School Specialty, get to it by just Googling it, and School Specialty, welcome to School Specialty. I'm going to click on that, and it gets you to the main website. From there you go up to sign in, and click School or business user. Now this is a reminder that this is really only for things that you can't get in Europe. The school really recommends and suggests and hopes that you will order anything possible through Europe, because Europe makes it a lot easier for the shipping and delivery. So please only use this for things that you have to get from the United States. Okay? If you do not have a username, you can look through your Gmail account and look for School Specialty and see if something was sent to you. If not, you can click username and put your school email in, and it will email you your username. And then you have to do it again for a password if you don't have it. So you have to, if none of that works, check with Billy and make sure he's got you registered on the site. But it should be good. Put that information and log in. This is a lot like shopping on things like Amazon.com or Amazon.it, where you have a shopping cart and you just fill it up. I'm just going to do a random to get you how it works. I'll do sketchbooks, which of course you could get in Italy or in Europe, but I'm going to just show you how this works. Let's say this is the one I'm interested in. I can click on it and get some more details. Yeah, that's the one I want. I'm getting 22 for a class. Add to cart, and just like what you're used to when you do online shopping, this is going to add the 22 items to your shopping cart, and from there you can keep adding items. Of course, I'm only doing one for demonstration purposes. We're going to go through this and show you what happens next. You can go up to the top of your shopping cart and say View Cart, Checkout. Alright, so here's what my items. I can go back here and I could edit the quantities. I could remove some if I did something wrong. You can see your principal approves whatever you're ordering. There's shipping information and billing information that gets filled in automatically. You don't have to worry about that. So when you're happy with this, it looks good to you, you can say Proceed to Checkout. And it'll give you another chance to sort of see what your final order is. Now keep in mind that what this does, as soon as you click submit, it's going to send this to your principal for verification, for authorization. It's not automatically ordered, so they have to approve it. It has to be within budget and appropriate, that type of thing. So you click submit, and there it is. I just ordered 22 sketchbooks for next school year. Okay, they should show up. The goal for the school is to have this all show up this summer. Okay, when you're all done, you log out, and that's it. Thank you very much. Please contact me if you have questions.